Hey there guys, on this video you're going to find us in the swamps of South Carolina as we go on a nighttime spot and stalk hog hunt using thermal scopes. This is Taylor's first ever hog hunt. We also have Uncle Jason along with us too. We have Taylor up to bat first, and as you're going to be able to see, it didn't take very long to get into the action. I hope you all enjoy.
Yeah, dropped them both.
You got both? Sounds good.
Thank you.
Make sure these aren't up here. I don't want to point towards you all. About 500 or 600 yards right down in there. Okay. So we'll walk up closer. Okay. He's out there about 100 yards. A real big one out there about 100 yards. There you go. Now, shoot, try shooting. Yep.
Jeez. What do you think, Jason?
Finally fall. There you go on the bright.
I hear him clopping. Well, that got western real quick.
He said keep shooting.
Damn, man, he blew out my left eardrum.
God dang. Did he fall in the field or did he get out of the field?
No, he was out of the field.
Did you get him?
I don't know.
Oh, you hit him a couple times. A few times.
Heck, I was figuring if I hit him, he was going to drop.
No,
He didn't drop, so I kept shooting. Yeah.
I shot him once.
I know. Oh, you went to shoot. I was like,
Oh my God! Yeah, I mean, it got. When I say it got western, it got western.
About to pull mine.
Just to join the party.
Yeah, you hit him the first shot. You gotta hit him in the head though.
I thought I was right. I mean, like he was like almost like quartering facing me,
Right.
and the front left was his head. I thought because it was moving, so I thought that was his head, and that's where I shot, and he didn't drop.
Man, I was expecting.
You still see him?
Oh, yeah.
Is he standing?
I don't think so. I'm fixing to see. Nah.
Yeah.
He dead?
He ain't standing now.
He gone. I seen him. Yeah, I seen him cruise through. I was just trying. I was trying to get out of the harm's way. Holy shoot, dude! That's Hogzilla. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Dude.
Huh. That's a darn man.
Hold on, let me turn off the infrared.
Stalk.
Oh my God.
Dude, man, there had to be 30 holes with
Hey,
him.
you took some lead now. Cuz was toting right there.
It's over around 15, 18 times.
I'll buy you about the shell.
Oh,
Oh, no, don't worry about it. I got 5 pounds.
Yeah, he did say don't worry about the
bullets, so I was
shells.
just hulling, cuz.
About 50 yards. 50 yards. Just open that flap.
Get 2?
I think so. I don't know.
I don't see him in the field yet. You see him dropping the field?
Yeah, the one right in front.
Yeah, in front.
One.
I might can't see him just because we grasped him. I know you hit that last shot, whichever one shot.
Yeah, that was the one I wanted to dump.
Okay, we'll go see if we can find it.
Hey, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Yes, sir.
On the whole hog?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want the whole hog?
Yeah, I'll go do whatever I need to do.
I say you want the whole hog?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay.
Kill that thing too. I thought you said it was a little one. That ain't little. You hit that song right in the eye. I ain't lying.
Look at that.
Did I really?
Look at that.
Ooh.
He didn't have no chance.
No, you fried that sucker.
Yeah, he was down.
It was over here.
How much rope you need?
About 6 foot.
Some just to run him across the here. I got this stringer right
He
here.
got
This
a
work.
thing here. We throw them hooking to it.
Okay.
Yeah, until you load it down.
Man, we're gonna be squatting.
That's all right.
Oh my
All right.
I'm gonna, if you pull up a little bit, Jeff, I'm gonna run right here and check.